In this video, I will show you the highest converting top affiliate programs that give you the commission in the range of $1 and even $200 per sale. We will be covering multiple categories ranging from e-commerce, credit cards, business, productivity, travel, YouTube, and many more. This video is part of our free affiliate marketing mastery course where I show you how to become a pro affiliate marketer without spending thousands of dollars on paid courses. Make sure you click on the I button or the links in the description to watch our entire free course playlist. Not just this, every month we launch 2 free courses on this channel, so make sure you subscribe to get courses worth thousands of dollars for free. Since the video is long, so we have timestamps of the entire video in the video description. You can jump over any section you want. I will also recommend you guys to bookmark this video and save it to your watch later list for quick reference. Not just this, I along with my team have created an amazing bonus that you will surely love. This bonus Excel sheet will have top 10 affiliate programs from many different categories ranging from marketing, finance, health and many more. This Excel sheet will also have their commission rate, their sign up page link and other important data. If you want access to this bonus, then all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to our channel and comment with my favorite affiliate program is. Once we reach 3,000 likes and comments, I will make the link to this bonus public in the video description. Let's start with all the affiliate programs. 10% of the ad revenue of this video goes towards feeding the needy. Check the link in the description for our Mission No Hunger. And the rest 90% of the revenue helps us to launch many more free courses for you lovely people. So kindly support us. So guys, let's first cater to the e-commerce industry. Let's start with the internet's biggest affiliate program, which is Amazon Associates. If you don't know, we already have a very comprehensive video on how to start and scale an Amazon affiliate website. Make sure you watch that video as well. The link is in the description. So Amazon Associates are used by millions of websites, YouTubers, Instagram influencers, TikTok stars, almost any social media influencer. Amazon has the most comprehensive and the most popular affiliate program. It's called Amazon Associates. And here are the commission structure for the various categories. Luxury beauty has 10%, physical books has 4.5%, PC component has 2.5% and all other categories have 4%. The best part about Amazon Associate affiliate program is that if you send a person, so whatever the person purchases in the next 24 hours, you will be eligible for the commission for all the products he or she purchases. Unlike other affiliate programs where the person has to purchase only the thing that you are driving the traffic to, here, if you drive traffic to Amazon, you are compensated for everything the person purchases in the next 24 hours if the person has your cookie in the browser. The next popular affiliate program is Share a Sale. Now, Share a Sale is another very popular affiliate program. It has over 15,200 merchants and over 200,000 publishers and 150 million sales generated in 2019. You'll find affiliate of almost all the popular programs like Honey, BuzzFeed, Minted, Deluxe, Etsy, Groupon, Detail Me Not. For all the companies who don't want to create their own in-house affiliate program, they can sign up for Share a Sale. And here you'll get all the tools, the partnership, the technology. Also a list of all the popular publishers who might be interested in advertising your program. So even if you're an affiliate, you can sign up here and find the right products if you want to promote something. I created a Share a Sale account just to show how the dashboard looks. So this is the activity feed. As you know that I am promoting WP Rocket. Now WP Rocket is one of the best plugin out there to make your website lightning fast. If you have seen my blogging course or Amazon affiliate marketing course, then you guys know that I promote WP Rocket as an affiliate and I use Share a Sale to sign up as an affiliate for this particular program. Similarly, you get access to all the different reports, how many people actually clicked on the links, how many people converted, you get various tools, you get all the merchants. You can also search for all the merchants that are on the platform Share a Sale. So you can see for all these different categories, they have different merchants: clothing, automotive, accessory, freebies, gaming, lotto, gourmet, gifts, etc. And here are the details. So if you sign up for Byte program, you can see if you drive a sale that you are given a commission of $45 per lead, again $45. Gusto is another very popular program among online business owners and you are compensated for $100 per sale. FreshBooks is one of the most popular accounting softwares out there and you are given $55 per sale. So you can see that all the big companies out there also are listed on Share a Sale. Similarly, just similar to Share a Sale, you have Commission Junction. It's another very, very popular website and affiliate network. You can see the website is driving 1.4 million visitors. And when you're talking about as an affiliate network, 1.4 million is a very, very huge number. Imagine over 1 million affiliates just like you going to this platform. So I've logged into my account just to show how the dashboard looks like. Here again, you can see the performance on the yesterday or this week or this month, how many clicks you drove, what was the number of sales, the number of leads, etc. Also the number of offers that are pending for approval. It is a list of multiple merchants, so you can sign up for different merchants, and you can create a profile on Commission Junction, and that profile is sent to all the merchants you apply to. So you can go to advertiser section. Again, just like Share a Sale, they have multiple categories. You can select a particular category. You can search through advertiser name. The next most popular affiliate program is Shopify. If you're into e-commerce, or if you teach e-commerce, or if you're ever thinking of selling something online, especially a product-based business, then you must have already known about Shopify. If you don't already know, then Shopify is a billion-dollar company which is publicly listed. It has a very lucrative affiliate program, and especially I have seen the conversion rate for Shopify affiliates have been very high. And you can earn an average of $58 for every referred user. They also have a very amazing support and promotional material. And you'll see almost all the top affiliates try to promote Shopify. Signing up process is easy. Apply for the affiliate program. You will have to provide all the information, how you will be driving traffic, how you will be promoting. And once you are approved, you will be given all the links. They're not signed up on a different third-party affiliate program. Rather, they have their own dashboard and their own login. Similarly, you have eBay. eBay is another very, very popular e-commerce website. If you check the traffic of ebay.com, you'll see 947 million visitors come on this website every month. Similar to Amazon, they also have a partner program. You can check the video here to understand everything. Just to let you know, if you want to find the affiliate program of any company, all you have to do is write the name of the company along with affiliate. So let's say if I want to find the affiliate program of eBay, I can write eBay affiliate, press enter, and go to the first organic listing. And here you'll find all the details about eBay partner program. What will be the commission structure, how to apply, what are the details. Here you can see the eBay partner network, work with a global commerce leader, leverage deals and promotion, track, analyze, and optimize, etc. Similar to eBay, we also have an affiliate program for Walmart. We also have an affiliate program for BestBuy.com. So if you have a coupon-based website, or if you have a channel where you're promoting any kind of a product, if you have gone through our Amazon affiliate marketing course or blogging course, then you know that I always recommend to not only use a single affiliate program. Let's say if you're promoting an Amazon product, then there might be a possibility that the same product is available on eBay or Walmart or Best Buy. So why only give the option to the visitor of a single Amazon link? Rather, you should always give multiple options. That will drive the conversion rate a little higher and you will make more money. So if you're a YouTuber, now I will be talking all about the different tools that are required if you are a YouTube influencer or you're a YouTube creator. And you'll be surprised to know that all these tools have affiliate program as well. And even if someone wants to become a creator on Instagram or TikTok, then you can do the affiliate of these products. We will be coming up with a very comprehensive YouTube course on this channel. So make sure you subscribe. In that course, we'll be talking more about all these tools and how to use them. So the first tool is vidIQ. It's a very, very popular tool among all the YouTube creators. You will see almost all the YouTube creators using this tool. The website is driving 2 million website visitors per month. So that's massive, considering it's just a tool, and also it is YouTube verified. It gives you all the data about the various search terms, the traffic, the tags, etc. It really helps you out in finding the right title, the thumbnail, the description, tags, and finding the right recommendation. It gives you a 15% commission if you are driving 0 to 10 sales, 20% for 11 to 50 sales, and for 51% sales, you are given a 25% commission. Similarly, you can use TubeBuddy as well. It's more like an alternative to vidIQ. I am using both vidIQ and TubeBuddy. Here you can receive a commission up to 50%. The best part is it is recurring. As I told you earlier that you should focus more on the programs that offer recurring commissions, because you're not given a one-time flat fee. Rather, you get recurring commission till the time customer is staying with the company. Now, if you're a YouTube creator or any kind of creator or a graphic designer, then you must already be using Adobe product. Adobe is one of the biggest company out there. It has billions of dollars of revenue. You can see the website is driving 295 million visitors. That's very high, especially looking it is a software-based company. It also has an affiliate program. You can become an affiliate. You're given 85% for the first month. And even if someone buys a yearly subscription, you're given 85% for the first month or 8.33% for the first year. For the Adobe stock, you're given $72 monthly subscription. So you can go through this page and understand more about Adobe affiliate program. It's a very lucrative affiliate program because if anyone wants to become a creator or wants to create any kind of influence online, they will be using Adobe Suite. So it's a highly converting program. The next very popular company in the online creator space is Rev.com. If you check the traffic of the website, you see the website is driving 3.6 million visitors. If you don't know already, Rev.com is used for transcriptions. So if you want to convert your audio, let's say if you're a podcast owner or if you're a video creator, any kind of creator, be it for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, then you will be creating content in the form of audio and video. And as you already know that transcribing the content from audio or video to text has become very, very popular. If you do it by yourself, it might take a lot of time. So many people focus more on outsourcing it. And that's where Rev comes into play. They can create foreign subtitles, captions, transcription, everything for your videos. So they also have a affiliate program. You can sign up and drive people to this. I have been using rev.com as well. So it's a very good company to become an affiliate for. The next company, especially the one that I really love, Crisp.ai. If you create videos or audio, any kind of podcast, then you know that removing the noise is the biggest issue. Let's say if you're creating a video and someone comes or rings the doorbell, or let's say if your kid comes or someone is barking outside the house, or let's say if a traffic police goes by or someone is honking outside the home. So you really have to stop recording the audio. By using Crisp, you can eliminate all of that and it feels like magic. It is something that I can't really explain, that you have to experience it yourself. All you have to do is, whatever microphone you're using, select Crisp as the source and it will remove all the unwanted noise. And you'll be amazed to see that the noise removal is so great and it is in real time. So even if someone is barking outside the house or even if someone is honking outside the house, all of that will be removed and you will get clear audio. So you don't have to worry about, I will be recording only in the night when there is absolute silence. You can do it even in the mid of the day. And that is why I have been loving Crisp. I have a complete plan, so all my team members use Crisps, and the best part is it also has an affiliate program where if someone purchases Pro plan, you are eligible for $40 as a flat fee. On a side note, guys, also subscribe to my podcast Marketers Feed, which brings you daily actionable digital marketing and online business lessons that I have learned and experienced over 8 years of being in this field. I know your time is valuable, hence the episodes are filled with value and also short, just under 10 minutes for easy consumption. Subscribe now, the link is in the description. Now let's go back to the video. The next is Epidemic Sound. If you're a creator, then you already must know about Epidemic Sound. If you check the traffic of the website is driving 6 million visitors per month. Now sound is everywhere. You're a creator, you need some transitions, you need some sound effects, be it any kind. You don't have to really worry about copyright claims or anything like that. You get access to 90,000 sound effects, 35,000 tracks, all that for free with a monthly or a yearly subscription, and you can use it without giving the credits. So it also has an affiliate program. We use Epidemic Sound and it's good to know that they also provide an affiliate program. Refer creators get free months. So that's the kind of program they have. If you're into a finance niche, you could be a YouTuber, you could be a blog owner, you could be an affiliate, then I will highly recommend you guys to look at our partners page of NerdWallet. Here you can see they have multiple categories: auto insurance, auto loans, credit cards, home insurance, investing, life insurance, Medicare, small business software, student loan, all of that. So anything that is related to finance category. And they have their partners. So these are all the partners of NerdWallet. So that means they are driving traffic to all these different websites and they are receiving compensation, as you can see, and we may receive a payment if you apply for and receive one of their products. So that means these companies are providing an affiliate program. They could be internal or they could be associated with a different third-party affiliate program. So if you're into finance category, you can go through all these companies and figure out if you like a company or if you want to promote a company, then you can know for sure that these companies offer affiliate program. If you're a teacher or if you teach people how to become an online influencer or how to make money by creating online courses, then you might have already heard about Teachable or Kajabi. These are the two most popular platforms to sell online courses. As you can see, Teachable is driving 18 million visitors per month and Kajabi driving almost 2.9 million visitors per month. Now Teachable is a more popular website. Even I used it earlier to promote a few of my free courses. Both of the platforms provide 30% recurring commission. Here you can see you make 30% commission when anyone purchases a Teachable subscription. As I told you earlier that the recurring subscriptions are the one you should target, because let's say if someone is trying to sell their online courses, then it is highly likely they will be sticking with Teachable.com for many months. And even if they are on a $100 plan, then you are eligible for a $33 commission month on month. And the more people you refer, the more recurring commission you make. Similar is the case with Kajabi. You are eligible for a 30% lifetime commission. Both of the platforms are fantastic for promoting or creating online courses. Just like Teachable, if you're running an online business, then you might be using multiple online business softwares. So if you have a staff, then you have to have a HR software, and you might already have heard of Bamboo HR or Gusto. These are payroll management and HR software. Both of them are very popular. Bamboo HR has almost 11 million visitors per month, and Gusto has over 5 million visitors per month. Both of them have solid programs, very solid companies, and both of them have an affiliate program as well. Gusto is offering $100 per sale for every valid small business customer and $50 for every valid accountant lead. I really like the 120-day cookie tracking window. Usually the companies have a cookie window of maybe 24 hours, 7 days or max 30 days. So 120-day cookie window really helps you increasing the conversion. And also one thing you have to understand, whenever you are promoting an affiliate program, having a good affiliate support team is a must, because your affiliate support will really help you scale the conversions, drive the right kind of traffic, give you all the support in order to get more conversion from the same kind of traffic. Also, if you're running a business, be it online or offline, you need a project management software, Asana being the most popular out there among other very popular project management softwares. If you check the traffic, then the website is driving 52 million visitors per month. So that's massive for a project management company. And you are entitled for 10% of the annual plan for all the people you refer and they purchase. The best part is you and client both get a gift card worth 10% of the annual plan. And the cookie period is 40 days, so that's good. Also, since Asana is a very solid company, a very popular project management software, so it's more likely that the conversions will increase. Similarly, if you don't know, then HubSpot is another very, very popular software. The website is driving 38 million visitors per month, and the commission can range from $250 to even $1,000. They have multiple different products. If you go to the software section, you'll see they have a CRM, full CRM platform, Operations Hub, Service Hub. They have multiple different softwares, and you can drive traffic to them. Close is another CRM for startups and SMBs, and they have a 90-day conversion window and a 10% commission for all the customer you refer to close. If you don't know about Zoho, then I must tell you, Zoho is another very, very popular company driving 53 million visitors, and they also have an affiliate program, a 90-day cookie window, and your qualified referrals will give you $100 in Zoho wallet credits. So you can earn 15% of the revenue Zoho receives from the sale in the subsequent 12 months. So that's good. And the best part about signing up with big companies is that you will get the reliable support. And I always try to promote products that have a strong backing. They are popular, they have good testimonials, good social proof, because the conversion rate increases. Zoho offers multiple softwares. They are primarily known for their CRM software, but they are trying to dominate all the different categories. So they are also into workplace, all the tools that are required to run a business. Similarly, for the finance management, creator management, People Plus, a very comprehensive HR platform. Also IT management to help align the IT business needs. And now they're also going into the marketing management as well. So they have a host of different suites, email and collaboration, finance, sales and marketing. They're trying to dominate the entire business life cycle. So instead of working with multiple different tools from different companies, Zoho is trying to create an integrated platform which provides all the tools under one umbrella. As you already know that I have an online team, I have multiple freelancers working for me, and one vital tool for tracking the time and tracking the performance of each freelancer is HubStaff. HubStaff helps me understand how much time people are spending, on which project they're spending, the person who's slacking off, the person who's not working properly. And so this is a vital tool, especially if you have an online team. And again, you can get a 30% commission rate for all the people who sign up for HubStaff. If you have business related traffic, or if you teach people how to run online business, then HubStaff is a great product to promote. It's another very popular tool. They have a host of different products, and the website is driving 2.3 million visitors. So they have been in the industry for a long, long time. Or if you're using your browser or your phone on a very regular basis, then having a good VPN and having a good password management software is a must. I use ExpressVPN, as you can see here. I use ExpressVPN for all my needs. It's a premium version. And all the popular VPN products like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Surfshark all have their affiliate program, especially with all the privacy issues and the privacy laws. And to be able to even check all the different shows of your favorite OTT, be it Netflix, HBO Max, for any company which is available in multiple countries, you know that they offer different shows to different IPs depending on the geography. So you can add the IP of a particular geography and watch the shows that are not available to your country. And also having a VPN is a must, especially in 2021 and in coming years. So NordVPN also have a affiliate program. If the 1 month offer, you get 100% of the sign up, and renewal is 30%. Again, for 6 month offer, new sign up is 40%, 30%. ExpressVPN again has a affiliate program. They also offer generous affiliate commission. ExpressVPN has a traffic of 9.9 million visitors, where NordVPN has a traffic of 14 million visitors. So you can see both of these companies are very popular in the VPN space. Surfshark is another very popular company in the VPN space. So this is who can earn with our VPN affiliate program. If you are a blogger, if you want to become a blogger, then you can watch our blogging course where I teach you everything related to how to start and scale a blog. Similarly, if you're a publisher, you might be a podcaster, you might be a news outlet, media hub, even then you can become an affiliate. If you are a business representative, you might have an audience in terms of sharing brands, influencers. Even then you can become an affiliate. And if you're a YouTuber, that's the best case scenario because you have a very, very large audience you can cater to. Now, ExpressVPN and Surfshark has not shown their affiliate commission on the landing page. Even a simple Google search like a Surfshark affiliate commission or ExpressVPN affiliate commission, you'll be able to find the affiliate commission. Here we can see that the Surfshark affiliate program offers 40% commission per sale, a 30-day cookie duration. So similarly, if you find any company where the affiliate commission is not available on the landing page, you can do a simple quick Google search and find out.
Real learning and growth comes when you don't just watch but actually implement. So if you are in the 1% who are not just watching but actually implementing, then join our free profitable website challenge. Your chances of success will be 100x more. The link is in the description. Our free challenge is an entire blueprint of starting and scaling a profitable website from scratch. Now you must be thinking, if I can just watch this video, then why should I join the challenge? With our free challenge, you will get daily tutorials, tasks, lessons, reminder emails taking you one step closer to your goal. Advanced strategies that are not shared on this YouTube channel. Exclusive checklists and worksheets. Ask your questions and get direct feedback. A close-knit community of like-minded, passionate people who have the same goal as you to create a profitable website. Lastly, there will be lots of giveaways and bonuses as well. So wait no more, watch this video till the end and also sign up for our free profitable website challenge right now. Link is in the description.
The next important software that everyone must have is a password management software. I can't tell you how important it is, especially in 2021, where you are signed up to multiple different companies. And the best practice is to always use a strong password. I'm not sure whether you have seen our other courses or not, but I must tell you that I always use a strong password generator like passwordgenerator.net to generate my password, and I always make sure the password length is 14 and I select all these checkboxes and I create a password like this for all the different websites. Now this is not humanly possible to remember such kind of passwords for over 200 to 300 different websites. So having a strong password generator to secure your access and to keep your security tight is a must, but to also remember the password is extremely important, and that's where LastPass or NordPass comes into play. Both of these are amazing companies and very popular. And they also have access to not just browser, but you can also add LastPass to your phone, your tablet, and you can have a unified access to all the different companies you are signed up for. Even if you forget a password, you will be able to log into your LastPass or NordPass account with the master password and check the details. As you can see, the NordPass has 1.7 million visitors per month and LastPass has 15.6 million visitors per month. And both of them have an affiliate program. So LastPass is offering 25% commission across 4 products. And let's see about NordPass. So the commission can range till 75%. I'm not sure whether the commission is actual 75%. Yeah, for the new sign up, it is 75% and the renewal is 10%. And if it's a 1-year offer, then the new sign up is 30%. If you're a travel influencer, you might have a YouTube channel, you might be a blogger, you might have an Instagram account, you might be making Instagram videos, you might even be making TikTok, you might even have a popular Pinterest page. Any of this will give you a lot of attention, and you know the meaning of attention. Attention gives you traffic, and the traffic can be converted into sales. Then travel has multiple categories. It could be flight booking, it could be car booking, it could be hostel booking, hotel booking, travel package booking, forex booking. Even if someone is traveling, they have to purchase different things like a luggage, sweaters, clothes, etc. If they are going for skiing, then different skiing equipments. All the physical products can be sold on Amazon.com. So you can create a list or maybe drive people to Amazon using the Amazon Associate program that we talked about earlier. If you're targeting the college students or people who are budget travelers, then you know that Hostel World is one of the most popular website for cheap budget hostels. As you can see, the website is driving 1.6 million visitors per month. Even Hostel World has an affiliate program. They have a 30-day cookie. Similarly, you might already know about Booking.com. It's one of the most popular travel website. The website is driving 261 million visitors per month, and they also have an affiliate program. Even Kayak.com has an affiliate program. Similarly, Skyscanner is one of the most popular destination to finding cheap flights. You can see that you can get a revenue share up to 20% if you drive traffic to Skyscanner. If you have seen our video on top affiliate websites, then you know that Skyscanner is an affiliate website. They don't have their own system. Rather, they drive traffic to other merchants, and from there they make affiliate commission. You can see the permitted traffic source and activities. You can have a blog, you can have a travel website, you might be owning a forum, you might be a content platform, you might have a deals website, advertising network. Similarly, Expedia Group again has an affiliate program. Avin is another affiliate network. They also have TripAdvisor's affiliate program. So if you want to become a affiliate of TripAdvisor, you can sign up for Avin. Similarly, if you're in the car rental space, then the car rental offers various websites that offer an affiliate program. Zipcar also has an affiliate program. So they are using CJ Affiliate, which is Commission Junction that we covered earlier, for catering to all the publishers who want to sign up for their affiliate program. Even rentalcars.com is associated with the Commission Junction. As I told you earlier, Commission Junction is a very popular platform among affiliates and publishers. Agoda, if you don't know, Agoda is another very, very popular website in the travel space, driving 32 million visitors per month, and each $200 booking at a commission rate of 5% earns you $10 in commission. I really love the headline here. This really gets the attention of the person or the publisher. I really like the landing page here, very nicely made. So Agoda has again an affiliate program. Priceline again have an affiliate program. So travel is a space where you'll find all the major players have an affiliate program. All you have to do is find the category for which you are catering the traffic to and try to find the companies that you might already be using yourself. And then you can sign up for the affiliate program and drive the people while making an affiliate commission. Now let's talk about our industry, which is online marketing. You will find almost all the popular marketing softwares, all the SaaS companies have an affiliate program for the customer acquisition. If you have gone through our email marketing video, then you know that I recommend a few of the companies that provide email marketing services like Aweber, ConvertKit, and ActiveCampaign. All these companies have an affiliate program. Like Aweber offers 30% commission for all the people if you send to Aweber. Similarly, ConvertKit also offers 30% commission. Among the email marketing companies, you will see that 30% is the norm. If you talk about ClickFunnels, I'm not sure whether you have heard about ClickFunnels or not. ClickFunnels are popular among all the people who are selling courses, or I'm not really sure, but somewhat a shady information. I'm not really following that, but they have a affiliate program where they're even offering Lamborghini to the best affiliate or something like that. I think they are offering 40% commission for all the people you send to ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is a program to build funnels. So if you want to connect your landing page to your email marketing, if you want to create upsells, downsells, you will see a lot of people using ClickFunnels. I don't want to generalize, but primarily these are used by all the gurus or people who are selling some kind of a webinar or some kind of a course. As you can see, e-commerce agency, information product. ClickFunnels is very popular among information products. They even have a 2 Comma Club award for people who make $1 million using ClickFunnels. They give something to them. So they also have a 40% affiliate program. You'll be surprised to know that even Google has an affiliate program. If you don't know that, if you want to use Google Workspace, they are also associated with the CJ Affiliate. I told you earlier about CJ Affiliate being one of the most popular affiliate program. So even you can become an affiliate to Google Workspace, and they are offering, I think, 8% commission. Yes, I think the commission is 8% for Google Workspace. Let's see the referral program. They have a referral program as well as an affiliate program. To sign up for Google Workspace, you can sign up for CJ Affiliate. If you don't know, if you want to create a business email ID, like an email ID like ankur@marketersfeed.com, then the best solution is to use Google Workspace. We use Google Workspace for all our different websites that we use. Now let's talk about the most important part in any business. That is the team. A team is what makes the company, and you need freelancers, you need full-time workers, you need help in running your business. And that is where the freelancers and full-time freelancers come into play. And I use multiple companies. Now Fiverr, which is one of the most popular platform to get the gig work done. I've been using Fiverr for many, many years now. They also have a very lucrative affiliate program. You can earn up to $1,000 for a single conversion. If you check the commission plan of Fiverr, you can see if you refer people to Fiverr business, you are eligible for $100 per 10%. Fiverr affiliate get 10% of the referred affiliates earning, 30% from all the Learn with Fiverr program. Fiverr business is the most popular program, and you can also go for a dynamic CPA depending on the service your first time buyer purchases, or you can go for a 10% CPA. Fiverr hybrid is something that I really like because you not only just get $10 for the first time, but you also get 10% rev share for the lifetime. So Fiverr is another very, very popular program that you should be promoting. If you're teaching online business or if you're teaching anything, then there will be services that you can recommend on Fiverr. And for all the people who purchases all these services, you will be getting a commission out of it. Similarly, onlinejobs.ph is where I hire a lot of full-time freelancers, virtual assistants, and they also offer 40% for the paid plan. So they offer different plans. It could be $99 or enterprise plan, like pro plan and a premium plan. I put job posting on onlinejobs.ph on a regular basis, and I have been really happy with the Philippine workers. So if you want, you can also promote onlinejobs.ph for all the people who have an online business or people who are running any kind of business who need some extra help. Then onlinejobs.ph is another very important company, and you can be an affiliate and get 40% commission. I sincerely wish that Upwork comes with an affiliate program. Upwork is one of the most popular freelance website on the internet. 40 million visitors per month. I've been using Upwork for many years now for finding the right freelancers, for some small works, for full-time virtual assistants, for developers. I have been finding all kind of help on Upwork. I have spent thousands of dollars on this platform, and I wish they had an affiliate program, but sadly they don't offer any affiliate program. But this is a company which is a must-have for any person who owns an online business or any business in general. They have some really good quality freelancers on this platform. Hosting offers a high commission. You can see the Bluehost, which is another very popular hosting platform. You get $65 for every person you refer to Bluehost. Similarly, you have multiple different companies. You have A2 Hosting, you have SiteGround, you have HostGator. All of them offer $60 to $100 for every person you refer to that platform.
As always, like the video and subscribe to our channel. These 2 steps alone are the biggest motivation for us to launch many more free courses in the future. Do you want courses that are worth over $1,000? Then click here to watch our entire free digital marketing mastery course, and click here to watch our free affiliate marketing mastery course.